Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quiet English story, Alice feels a little down. So, she decides to clean her house, slowly, with calm music and soft words. You'll hear useful vocabulary and simple phrases for everyday English. It's a peaceful way to practice listening and speaking. So, sit back, relax, and let's start this gentle cleaning story together.
Good morning. It's quiet and a little cold today. I walk into my kitchen. There are dishes in the sink, crumbs on the counter, and tea stains on the stove. Near the kitchen is my laundry basket. It's full. Some clothes are even on the floor. Then, I walk into the living room. My blanket is on the couch, but not folded. There are books on the floor, and a cup from last night on the table. I look at the shelves. They're dusty. I haven't cleaned them in days. Finally, I walk into my bedroom. My bed isn't made. There are clothes on the chair, and the wardrobe is messy inside. This is my home today. Messy, but still mine. I feel a little low. So, maybe cleaning will help. Let's begin. I stand in the kitchen sink. The dishes are waiting for me. I turn on the water. It's warm and feels nice on my hands. I wash one plate. Then another. Then a cup and a spoon. The water runs softly. It makes a calm sound. I rinse the soap away and place each dish on the rack. Now, I clean the counter. There are crumbs from yesterday's toast. I take a small cloth and wipe the surface slowly. There's a tea stain on the stove. I take a clean cloth and clean the stove slowly. This small cleaning, it feels good. I walk into the living room. It feels a little messy, but full of memories. There are books on the floor. I pick them up, one by one. The blanket is on the couch. I fold it slowly, nice and neat. I see dust on the shelves. I take a soft cloth and wipe gently. Now, it's time for the vacuum cleaner. I plug it in. The machine hums softly. I move the vacuum back and forth, across the carpet and under the table. The sound is steady, almost like a quiet song. With every pass, the room feels fresher, cleaner. I like this quiet work. It helps me think and feel calm. I walk into my bedroom. The light is soft, the air is quiet. My bed isn't made. The blanket is messy, and the pillows are on the floor. I lift the blanket, shake it out gently, and lay it flat. Then, I fix the pillows. One here, one there, nice and soft. I look around the room. There are clothes on the chair, and some things on the floor. I fold the clothes, slowly, and put them in a small pile. I pick up my notebook and place it on the table. There's a little dust on the mirror. I wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The room feels quiet now, like it's taking a deep breath. I smile. It's simple work, but it brings peace. I carry the laundry basket to the machine. It's full of clothes, soft and wrinkled. I open the lid and place each item inside, slowly. T-shirts, socks, a hoodie. They all go in. I add a little soap. Just enough. Then, I press the button. The machine starts to spin. Water flows in, and the clothes begin to move. I hear the soft sound. I sit on a small chair nearby and listen. It's quiet here. Just me and the sound of clean clothes. The laundry is done. The clothes are warm and clean. I take them out, one by one. A shirt, some socks, my favorite sweater. I sit on the bed and begin to fold. First the shirts. I fold them neatly, corner to corner. Then the socks. I roll them into small pairs. My sweater feels soft. I hold it for a moment. Then place it gently on the pile. I open the wardrobe. It's a little messy, but not too bad. I place the shirts on the top shelf. Socks in the drawer. Sweaters on the side. Everything has a place now. And that makes me feel calm. I close the wardrobe doors. And take a deep breath. I walk through the house. Room by room. Everything looks clean and peaceful. The kitchen is tidy. The dishes are dry. The counters shine. The living room feels fresh. The carpet is clean. And the blanket is folded. My bedroom is calm. The bed is made. The wardrobe is neat. I feel lighter now. Like I've cleaned my mind, not just my home. I walk to the kitchen again. And make a cup of tea. The water boils. I choose my favorite mug. I sit by the window. Hold the warm cup in my hands. I take a sip. Close my eyes. And smile. This is my little moment. Quiet, simple, and enough.
Now, let's take a small grammar break. Today's story used the present simple tense. We use it to talk about things we do regularly. Things that are part of our daily life. I fold the clothes. I make a cup of tea. I clean the table. I feel calm. Now, let's practice together. Say the sentences after me. Speak slowly and clearly. I wash the dishes every morning. I vacuum my room on Sunday. I drink tea before bed. I make my bed every day. Great job. Let's try one more. Now you try. Can you say 3 things you do every day? Say them out loud. It's okay to speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. Just keep practicing. Thank you for watching this video. And for spending time with me today. I hope this little story helped you feel calm. And gave you some new English words to practice. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon for another soft English story. Take care of yourself. Keep learning. And I will see you next time.